Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Godson Obiazi, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you some of the basic guides to blog design and blogging on blogger.com. And in this tutorial I'll cover some of the basic features of blogging, like creating your first free blog on blogger.com and creating your first post, publishing it, and also checking your statistics, your views, and where your traffic is coming from, so that you can gain better knowledge of your audience. So let's get started. To create a free blog on blogger.com, you first need a Gmail address, which you will use across all Google products. So to create a Gmail address, visit gmail.com from your web browser and select the first option displayed once you click on the search button. This will open the Gmail login form. Go down to where you find create account and fill in your necessary informations, which include your first name, last name, username, and password. Then you click on next and fill in your phone number, country, and other required informations. Congratulations, your Google account is ready. You can now proceed to blogger.com to continue creating your free blog on Blogger. The display name you see here is the name that will appear anytime you make a new post. After filling in your display name, click on Continue to Blogger. Voila! You are now the proud owner of this new Blogger account. Now click on Create New Blog to get started with creating your first blog on Blogger. On this page, you are required to fill in your blog title and address. Your blog title is the name you want to call your blog, while the address is the blog address on the web. Since this is a free blog, your blog address must end with .blogspot.com. Sorry, this blog address is not available. Means you should choose another address for your blog. This is because there are over 1 million people on the web, so most addresses have already been taken. Be patient and keep trying different blog addresses. You will surely find one that is available. After choosing your blog address, next pick one of the free themes made available by Blogger and click on Create Blog. Congratulations, dear. You've just created a free blog on Blogger. You can now click on the Create New Post link or New Post button to start creating and publishing new posts on your blog. This will take you to the post editor or post dashboard, where you can make new posts, edit your post, and publish your post. You can make your post look awesome by using any of these quick editing tools. Right now we're going to make a demo post with categories School Gist. In this demo post, you're going to learn how to properly use labels, links, how to copy and paste post, edit post, add image, and also add links. Now let's visit my website at x3coded.com to find an awesome post for our demo. For our School Gist demo, we are going to make use of this post, UI admission list for 2018 is out on School Portal. Check here, and we are going to copy it and paste it at this section that says post title. Now, after dropping the post title, I'll always advise you edit it if you are copying from another blog, so that you don't have two different posts that appears to be exactly the same when it appears on search engines, and also so that Google can pick yours, since they always ignore duplicate posts on search engines. So you can see from my editing, I usually cut out some sections just to make sure it looks good without losing the meaning of the post. The post title should always give a good description of the post, and it should also be inviting so that people will want to click on it. Next, you are going to download the post image or featured image so that you can upload it to your own blog. To download, right click on the image and select save image. Choose a name for the image or the picture, choose a folder, then you click on save. Next, go to your post editor and click on the add image icon to select or upload a new image/picture. Keep in mind that Blogger blogs always choose the first image to be its featured image. So when picking the first image, always make sure it's related to your post. When you find the image you downloaded, click on open to upload it to your blog. Once it's uploaded, click on add selected. Now this will enter your post editing dashboard. You can select the size you want by using any of the links displayed below the image. Next, go back to whichever blog you are copying your post from to copy the content. Please, you are advised to make your own post if you can, but to save time, you can copy from another blog. But don't focus too much on copying posts from other blogs, since it always have low ranking and low views. So once you've copied the post, go back to your post editor and paste it. Always modify any post you copy from other blogs so that it can get better ranking, or if possible, rank at all. Please always use this page breaker to specify where you want your between post adverts to show. Click on it and it will display a straight horizontal line. If you copy post from any website, always add the source at the end of the post. This will reduce the rate at which you get violation strikes or DCMA, as some of the website owners will pardon you as you are giving them backlinks. To state the source, you can pick from the browser link and just paste it at the end of your post. Please don't forget, this is very important. You can see here, once you highlight it, click on the link icon here, then the link will automatically be added. You can use this way to link to any kind of content, be it music or whichever. Just copy the link and click on this link icon, and voila, you are good to go. Take for example, I want to add a download music link to this post. All I need to do is type in download music here at any section where I want them to download the song. Go to wheresoever I'm copying this song from, which for this post I'm taking my song from x3coded.com. Search for the download link, right click and copy link location. So once you copy the link location, highlight the download music here, the text that you've made before, and click on that same link icon or link text. This will pop up this form for you, at this section that says web address, paste the link and you hit OK. Most times I will advise you click on this add relative no attribute, since it will make it not searchable to search engines. Remember, I said the menu bar here has a lot of features that can help you design your blog. You can see the heading and the font size, and you can also see here the font style, the area, bold, Georgia, all of those are the font style. You can make your text bold, italic, you can change the text color. Just so many cool features you can use on this content. Just take your time to try them all as much as you feel like. Okay, any effect you want to, you just highlight and you click on that effect and it will automatically be applied to your content, just like in Microsoft. Next, we are going over to labels. Remember, labels are categories. Like you have news, music, comedy, all those menus you see come from the label link. With time I'll teach you how to use it. So for example, you are making a news post. In this label section, don't come and just start packing in keywords. Pick the labels that are related to what you are talking about. If it's news, you put news there. If it's admission news, put it there. If it's music, put it there. But don't come here and stuff in keywords. This place is not meant for keywords. Next is your link, your permalink. It's always advisable you make your permalink short and memorable, so that some people can be able to look into it and recall it. If your permalink or your link is too long, most people will just ignore it. So here you can see my text link is very long, it's including dates, so I cut out the date and just make it short, because with time I can revisit this permalink and use it. Once you're done with this, click on publish, and wow, that's a long post made short. From here you can see the site views for each of the content that you posted, and also at this section here you can view the content, the page, the post exactly. Why this view blog will take you to your home page. This is the link to your website entirely, so anytime you click on it, it will open your blog home page. Now your blog home page, as a blog, it usually shows the latest post first, but majority, depending on your setting, most of your posts will be on the home page. You can see this is the last post I made. Okay, so now you can see at this bottom here, those are your share buttons. You can use them to share your post on Facebook, Twitter, email, Google Plus, and other social media platforms. Please make sure you check out my video on how to grow your traffic and get more views. This will give you a better guide on how you can get more traffic to your blog and maybe other online content. Please, when sharing your posts or your link, make sure you add a little description before adding your link to any post you want to share. Always add description. This description will engage your audience before they see the link and click on it. Yes, you are going to have very low views, very low traffic, and people might not even want to visit your website. Leave a comment or join any of my social media discussions if you need any help. I'll be glad to assist you. Now let's go over to statistics. Let's see how our post is going. So from these statistics, you can monitor your page views per day, you can monitor it per month, and you can monitor it like lifetime margin or time history. And from here also you can see your traffic sources. By this I mean where your traffic is coming from, which link is referring people to your website. And by this side you can see your posts, the post that is getting more views by the day. Okay, so now let's go over to more detailed traffic sources. You can see from here now, you can see that I'm getting more referrals from google.com and plus.google.com. Okay, so this will give you more description. And here your audience, my audience are mainly from Nigeria, Nigeria, and you can see the browsers also, the browsers that are viewing my content. So this is very important because when you know the browsers they are using, then you can know the kind of adverts you should be displaying on your website. Now let's go over to comments. At this comment section, it's very important you take note of every comment that are posted on your website. Okay, because most of them come in as spam if you are a beginner, because most of these bloggers, they really want to get traffic to their site by all means, so they post spammy link and others. When you find any spam, make sure you delete it. Okay, so I guess that'll be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please make sure you share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.